Ronnie. Hey, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, hey, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, hey, get it. Hi guys, welcome back to my tragic channel. Today we're gonna be doing something, looking at these new products I just bought from Australis. I don't know if I'm saying it right, and I'm sorry if I'm not, and if you get offended by that, I'm sorry. I got the primer, which I've put on already. Put on some MAC foundation, looking good. I've got the makeup finishing spray, so that's gonna be used at the end, obviously. I bought some banana powder. See this cute little palette, cute colors, so I'm gonna be using it. If you guys like my tragic video, then feel free to subscribe, comment, and like this video. First of all, I'm gonna start off with the same old concealer I use, Master Concealer by Maybelline, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to carve out my eyebrows, which I already done using the Ardelle medium brown pomade because I have no eyebrows. Okay, I'm just going to be concealing this. Okay, I'm quite happy with this lighting today because like the other video I made, I swear looks so trash. Okay, so I've cleaned up the eyebrows, so now I'm going to just like, because there's some left on my hand, I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow now, so I'm just going to paint this all over my eye as the usual. And then we're going to get like straight into the eyeshadow. Let's hope it's not tragic. Oh gosh, why? I swear every time I do one eye, it ends up being like lighter than the other. I
need to work on this.
I need to work on it.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, what is that patch in my eyebrow? Okay, so now that's done. I'm taking the Kaleidoscope eyeshadow palette by Australis. It's got some amazing colors in that. I'll show you the colors right now. Couldn't even open that. These are the colors. As you can see, they're very, very bright. And I'm thinking that we do like a yellow pink look today because queen. Okay, so for the eyeshadow, these two brushes, you know, they're eyeshadow brushes. First thing I'm gonna do is make sure that they're clean because I know, I nearly dropped the palette. I know that I used it for something else. See, like there's a bit of brown on it still. I'm gonna go in with this yellow because I've always wanted to wear yellow eyeshadow and I've never ever done it. I'm putting like heaps on because like, I don't know. And I'm just gonna put that all over here. Is that looking good? Oh, it's like a bit faint, but it's okay. In the crease, like that. And I'm just gonna keep adding more until like I feel like that is enough. Do you hear the way I just said enough? I said enough. I think that looks pretty cool. That's what it looks like so far. Then I'm gonna go get my other palette because this one doesn't have orange. I'm taking this palette. I think I'm gonna take this one at the top here. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna like put it here. Just a little bit. So I know in the title it says Australis makeup, but majority of my face is going to be done with that, so don't freak out. Orange! Do you guys remember that video, Annoying Orange? Yeah. Anyways, so now that I've got like this yellowy thing going on, so I'm going to take this really pink shade and I'm going to place it on the outer corner. That looks so nice. I really do like it. So I'm kind of just patting it on right now. I'm not really blending because I'm going to blend after. And then I'm going to take my puffy brush and I'm just going to like blend those colors out together. That looks so cool. I like that. See this, guys? It's kind of like an ombre, like kind of. This brush, and I'm going to go in with this pink now and put that into the crease up the top. And that's that. See that? That's what it looks like so far. Okay, we're going to be taking the concealer again that I used already like 100 times. And I'm going to be placing that onto this brush. I don't know what gun name it has. And I'm going to go into the middle of the eye here and make like a dome. Kind of shape like that. This here is like a shimmery champagne kind of white color, so I'm going to be going in and I'm going to be placing that on top of the concealer that we just put there. Let's hope that that is actually really nice. It's very good. So I'm going to go in with some more pink and I'm going to like blend that out. Anyways, taking this puffy brush, blending the colors a little bit more, bringing that in. And I'm also adding a tiny bit more pink as I go. Okay, so now that we're all pinked up, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to be taking This eyeliner by Sivanna colors. So now that we've got this, I go in with these lashes here. They are so pretty. I'll be back. I'm gonna cut the lashes. Okay, so now that I've like fixed it and cut it, I'm gonna take some glue and I'm gonna be gluing my eyebrows on. Gluing my eyelashes onto my eyes. Tweezers. Glue. No, I put like so much glue on that.
That's gonna look trashy.
Trash. Now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna take some mascara, MAC Naughty Lash, and just going on the eyelashes. So now that I've got that on, I'm gonna go in with concealer again, and I'm just making that triangle that you'll see these days. I have a Twitter account, but like no one follows that, and yeah, so underneath my eyeballs, I'm gonna take this beauty blender, squish squish, and I'm gonna dab dab. Now I'm gonna go in with Base of Australia. It's quite dark, so yeah, just. Now I'm going in with the banana powder. I'm just gonna use this puffy brush to put it on with. I'm just gonna like do that. I'm gonna choose a lipstick color. I'm thinking like, I don't know, I think I might have a bright pink, but if not, I was thinking maybe like something extra and colourful and different, like or like
red.
I don't know. So I'll be back with a colour in a second. Now I'm gonna highlight the hell out of my face. Does anyone here know how to like contour their nose? Because I swear I put it on and it looks stupid. It looks so
Dumb when I do it.
Now that I've done the look, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm gonna take this setting spray. I've never used like a setting spray in all honesty. Like how pathetic is that? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. I feel weird doing this. Oh, I think that's enough. Oh, I'm scared. Is it gonna ruin it? Like it feels like it will ruin it. It smells pretty like roses. It says it on the bottle. Aloe vera and rose water, so that's pretty nice. I'm gonna let that dry. This is the finished look. So we've got the eyes. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it a lot because